Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to link PayPal accounts. So let's quickly get right into it. For personal accounts, you do that by first logging into your primary PayPal account, and you got to click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select account settings or profile. Then you got to scroll down to account linking section, and then you got to click on link a new account. Then you got to enter the email address and password of the secondary accounts and then confirm the linking process. For business accounts, the first thing you want to do is to log into your PayPal primary PayPal business account. Then you got to click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then you want to select account settings or profile. Then scroll down to the account linking section. Then you got to click on link a new account. Then you got to enter the email address and password of the secondary business account and confirm the linking process. Now, to link accounts using PayPal app, what you got to do is to open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Then tap on the menu icon and tap on settings or profile. Then you got to scroll down to the account linking section. Tap on link a new account. Then you got to enter the email address and password of the secondary account and confirm the linking process. So there are some benefits to linking accounts, the first of which is easy switching between accounts without needing to log out, and then the second is manage multiple accounts from a single login, and the third is to send and receive payments between linked accounts. So that's always great to have. These are awesome benefits right there. Some requirements, the first of which is both accounts got to be verified. Okay, before you can link the accounts, they both have to be verified, and of course both accounts must be either business or personal accounts. So business account linked to business account and personal account linked to other personal account. Now the last, which is both accounts must be registered in the same country. So both got to be registered. Those are the requirements. You can't skim over that. A couple of tips for you guys. The first is to provide accurate information when linking accounts. So you got to make sure there's no information error, so you can have a successful link. The second is to regularly review account activities to detect any suspicious transactions, just to be security conscious. And the third, of course, is to reach out to PayPal support if you encounter any issues linking accounts. So these are pretty useful tips for you guys to take note of. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like the video if you liked the video, and comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.